How to share system audio in Google Meet. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So as you can see right over here, we are inside of Google Meet. Now we want to share our system audio when we are streaming, for example. Now, there is a problem with this because if you, for example, click on present now, we can see if we select a Chrome tab, we can also share the tab audio if we would like to. Super easy for example, YouTube videos or other tabs you have opened on Google. But if you want to share a specific window or your entire screen, it says to share audio, share a tab instead because Google Meet doesn't capture the audio from your computer, which is quite annoying. Now, there is a workaround which you can try and do. And for a lot of people, this fixed it and helped them out. So, what you want to do is go to right click here on the sound settings, pretty much. And we want to open up the sound settings. Once we have clicked on there, we need to scroll down. And here we can see more sound settings. Once you click on this, this will pop up. And we want to click on recording. And here inside of recording, we can see the stereo mix. This is currently disabled, but what we need to do is simply enable this. And now we have enabled this. Now we can go back to Google Meet. We can go to the three dots over here to more options. Then go to settings. Then here where it says microphone, we want to now select stereo mix. And this will now capture audio from your PC or laptop. So pretty much your system audio, which is exactly what you want. So that is pretty much it. That is how to share system audio in Google Meet.